How to track customer lifetime value automatically with n8n. You wake up, open your dashboard, and every customer has a real-time lifetime value next to their name, updated from Shopify, Stripe, or your CRM overnight. No more guessing who your best customers are, no more manual export, just cold automated truth about your revenue heroes. And here's the twist, by the end of this tutorial, you'll build an AI-like accountant inside n8n that continuously tracks spending, purchase frequency, and calculates each customer's true lifetime value, automatically feeding into your Google Sheet or CRM. Let's start the workflow. First node is the cron node, the midnight accountant. Let's open it. When should your automation do its daily accounting magic? Every midnight, every day, while you sleep, n8n counts your money. His purpose is to trigger the LTV calculation daily so you always wake up to fresh numbers. Next node, the Stripe to get customer. Where's your customer truth? In Stripe, the source of all revenue records. Configuration. Operation get many. Credential will be your Stripe API key. The output will be your ID, email, name, and created day. Each customer record now flows into the next node to find every charge they're made. Next node, the Stripe get charges. How do you find out how much each customer has ever spent? By grabbing every charge linked to their customer ID. Resource will be charge. Now, operation get many will be the customer ID, JSON ID. This node loops through each customer to pull all the payment history. After that, you'll have a function to calculate LTV. How do you turn transaction data into insights? By summing up every successful charge, that's your true customer LTV. Let's open this. The output, as you can see, will be the customer name, the email, the customer ID, the lifetime value, and the currency. After that, you need the Google Sheets node to record the results. Where do you want your LTV dashboard to live? In a Google Sheet, clean, visual, shareable with the team. Option, create or update. The math column will be the customer name, the email, the lifetime value, and the currency. Now let's make a recap of all what we do. Every night, n8n automatically pulls all the customer from Stripe, fetches every charge per customer, calculates their lifetime spend, and writes the LTV directly into your Google Sheet. We just built an automated finance assistant. No scripts, no manual tracking, no nothing. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.